Cara Delevingne, born 1992, high fashion British supermodel and actress known for Suicide Squad. Pete Sampras, born 1971, tennis Hall of Famer who captured 14 Grand Slam singles titles. Dixie D'Amelio, born 2001, social media powerhouse, singer and one of TikTok's most followed personalities. Lakeith Stanfield, born 1991, Oscar-nominated American actor starring in Atlanta and Judas and the Black Messiah. Casey Affleck, born 1975, Academy Award-winning actor, best known for his leading role in Manchester by the Sea. Yvette Nickel-Brown, born 1971, beloved comedic actress, famous for starring in the sitcom Community. Peter Krause, born 1965, prominent television actor, starring in hit dramas like 911 and 6 Feet Under. Sara Ali Khan, born 1995, popular contemporary Bollywood actress and member of the Patoudi family. John Kajal, born 1935, legendary character actor who starred exclusively in Best Picture nominated films like The Godfather. Tyson Fury, born 1988, two-time world heavyweight boxing champion known as the Gypsy King. Mario Balotelli, born 1990, dynamic and controversial Italian professional football striker. Mark Knopfler, born 1949, acclaimed singer-songwriter, guitar virtuoso and frontman of rock band Dire Straits. Dream, born 1999, massive YouTube creator and streamer renowned for his viral Minecraft content. Erwin Schrödinger, born 1887, Nobel Prize-winning physicist famous for his groundbreaking quantum mechanics wave equation. George Soros, born 1930, billionaire hedge fund tycoon, investor and global philanthropist. Vikram Sarabhai, born 1919, visionary physicist widely regarded as the father of India's space program. Thank you for watching this video.